Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this heart that I got on a stand from Big Lots. I believe it was on clearance last year, and I grabbed it. I've seen them at Hobby Lobby also. And the first thing I'm going to do is stain the little base that the heart sits on. And I'm just going to use my antique wax to do that, making sure that I get all the way around. Once I have that all stained, I am going to paint the heart itself with this color called Barely Pink, and it's a chalk paint. And it took quite a few coats because the paint underneath was really dark. That red was really bold. So I got that all painted and let it dry, and I also stained the back. You don't have to do that. That's just my preference. And then I'm going to take my little sander and sand off some of the little beads that are all the way around. Just kind of give it a little bit of a rustic vibe, but that's it. I didn't want to go too much further with it. Next, I'm going to take a piece of burlap and I'm going to kind of roll it into a cone shape and then glue it into place. They're kind of like a little, looks like an ice cream cone. And then I'm going to lay that in the center of my heart and I'm going to glue that down. So I want to make sure that I can see that it's the center and then place it down. Make sure that it's secure and that it's right directly in the center. And then I'm just going to kind of glue a little piece on the side here to make sure that it's held well. Once I have that all on there, I'm going to fill it with some greenery. And this greenery is from Hobby Lobby. It's a part of a big bush, and I just kind of cut down a few pieces. And then I am going to add a few little roses from the his and her section of Hobby Lobby also. And that was like one of the small picks. Once I have those in there, I'm going to take this lace ribbon and I'm going to attach it to either side of the heart and run it across my little bouquet in the middle. And then once that was on, I'm going to trim off the excess on either side. So just making sure I had it even there and then just trim off these little end pieces. And I think this is so cute already. Next, I'm going to add this lace bow. This is the same ribbon I used to wrap on the edges. Put that right on the center, and then I am going to take and add a little piece of bling button to the center. And that is it. This project is done. I love how this turned out. I think it is so cute, and it was really easy, and I love the neutral look of it. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.